a light. I didn't open this, so let's open it. First, let me open a knife. Now we have to cut this thing first. I'll cut here, right? It's really awesome. We open this. Now, so satisfying. Well, now, yes. We see. I didn't open this. We open this. This is not regulator, so this is the motor right here, and this is the blade. We'll put that box away. This is the rainy side light and rainy side light fan. So let's open this too. No regulator. Fine. Now we open this. Welcome to Hatterberg family. Okay. This is the battery right here. The clip to swing, and this is the pipe. This is the remote. Now let's take this out. This is the thermocol. This is the pipe. This is the hubs. This is that for false ceilings. And now this is the rainy side light. Now let's just put this and open the blade. This is the blade. I ordered midnight black. Now we just open this. Take this out. This is sleek blades, and we have to open right here. Take it out very carefully. Now this is sleek blade. Look, and this is the blade. Put it right here. And this is the blade. Now keep that away. We'll put this right here. Let's take this. This is the motor. Now there's second fold. Now take this. Oh, look at that! This is a moonlight. Oh, this is the motor, I think. And now let me just connect all thing and put in the ceiling and put all leaves, and I will show you the performance. Before that, let me show all the parts. So this is the remote right here, and this is the pipe. This is also the pipe. This is the battery. This is that to connect to the ceiling. This is the hubs. Right here, I got a false to fit in a false ceiling. We use this. So, and this is the motor. These are the plates. The motor. See, this is midnight black. So I showed you. Now let's fit to the ceiling. I finally connected this. I assembled this. Now we have to connect to the ceiling. I'm going to do that by taking my old fan out and putting the new fan in. So after that I'll show that. So bye. I assembled the fan. Now let's turn it on. This is the remote right here. So let's turn this on. Whoa, it spins. Yay. This is a fast speed. This is the second speed. This is the third speed. This is the fourth speed. This is the fifth speed. And this is boost. The LED button turns on the LED. It is dim in the first, and if you press again, it will be bright. It is the full glow. This is the timer button. If you click, this is one blink means one time. The timer is 1 hour. If you press again 2 times, it will blink. It means it's in 2 hours. It will turn off. And 3 hours, it blinked 3 hours. Next is not the fourth, not the fifth, but the sixth. After 6 hours, we can, if you click it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Six time it blinked. It means that it will turn off in 6 hours. This is the sleep mode. That's slowly it goes means it's on, and very slowly it goes means it's off. The sleep mode is used to after when we sleep after 2 or 3 hours. It changes to fourth speed. So hope you like it. I'll turn off this fan. I'll give a zoom shot. Wait, is a zoom shot. The light. I will turn off the light and show the light of frequency. It has a new moonbeam light, so if I turn on the LED, it can see something. In the full glow, we can see some things. It's very cool. I will give a zoom shot. Wait, this is the zoom shot right here. This is a full glow. If it spin and we spins. Yay! Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe to Device Dynamics. So goodbye, and also peace out.